This video is about the 4 Fairbanks Morse concrete steam locomotives coaling towers located in Poland. It is posted primarily for the historical record, since these coaling towers will surely eventually be dismantled. So that I can expand the record, if you have any information related to any of these towers in Poland, knowledge of any books, articles, or experts on these towers, please contact us either through our webpage or through the comments below this video. The pictures in this video pertain to the Warsaw Tower because I am located in Warsaw and have had the opportunity to visit that tower. I hope to eventually have videos on the other 3. Information about the other towers and links to other videos when they are eventually made are in a page located below this video. The towers were complete service areas. The videos do not show the house for the hoist motor used to raise the coal to the top of the tower, nor do they show the sand houses that were necessary to blow sand also to the top of the tower. In the vicinity there was an ash pit with ash removal equipment and a water column served by some unseen and apparently non-existing water tower. The Fairbanks Morse towers were made in 2- and 3-track versions. The tower in Warsaw is a 2-track version. Coal was brought into the concrete shed alongside the tower and dumped into a pit that supplied a bucket which was hoisted to the top of the tower. On our website, you can see a more complete image of what one of these images looked like in its complete condition. Once again, if you have any information related to any of the towers in Poland, knowledge of any books, articles, or experts on these towers, please contact us either through our webpage or through the comments below the video. In any case, your comments would be most appreciated and a like would really help. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.